We'll guide you through how to access Google Drive on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drivegoogle.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, so enter your email address and click Next. Then enter your password and click Next again. If you have two-step verification enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Google Drive homepage where you can see all your files and folders. To open a file, simply double-click on it. If you want to upload a new file, click on the New button in the top left corner and select File Upload or Folder Upload from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the file or folder you want to upload and select it. Google Drive will automatically start uploading your files, and you can see the progress at the bottom right of the screen. If you need to create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation, click on New again and choose Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides as per your need. You can also organize your files by creating new folders. Just click New, select Folder, and give it a name. You can then drag and drop files into this folder. Remember, you can always search for specific files using the search bar at the top of the page. It's a handy way to quickly find what you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.